Good evening, everyone. Uh, I would like to discuss about Docker with big data. I have an assessment unlocking the power of big data. For this, I have to execute all these 13 questions. I have to execute answer the code in command prompt. And for this, I have already created 4 CSV files, which are orders, products, customers, payments. So for this assessment, I'm using the data and I'm also using OBS for screen recording, and also I have a small presentation which is easy to copy the code. Okay, I'm going to command prompt. So here I was logged in successfully, and we are adding name node container. Name node container is responsible for the running, so it's also executed. And second one is we are pulling the data node container, so it's also executed properly. And our next step is creating network. Docker network create hadoop/net. Oh, here in the presentation itself is showing error response from daemon network with the name hadoop net.net already exists. It shows the following message. It does not really mean that you are error. So it doesn't mean the error. So this slide is optional. So I'm just avoiding this. And the next one is run name node by using the command. We are running the name node. So it's already in new use. You can check it. It's all done. So I think we are running data node also. So this is also in use, already in use. So we're just skipping to the next step, and our next step is dragging the file path to the by doing this it will automatically open. I'm copying products path, and we are going to next step, customers. And next for payments. So now adding CSV file into Docker container. So it's all successfully done, creating new directories inside a container. So this is showing it's already exists. So it's okay. So this is the output for the CSV file into Docker container and adding this CSV file into container. So first what we do is Docker cp and then we go to here. We are adding the path and here and name node. Successfully copied the first one and we are going to the second one. Again same, copy as path and here Docker cp name node data. This is also done. Docker cp and now we are going to the customers, copying the path of customers file and name node data. Docker cp copy as path slash data. So it's successfully done. Docker cp copying the path of payments, name node. So it's also successfully done. So we did adding CSV files into Docker. We added 4 CSV files. We are just executing this code because we are checking the 4 is, yeah, here we can see this. The 4 is all in the container. And now we are going to this next step is Docker. Check if all CSV files in name node. Files. Yeah, here data in data, customers. You can see all the 4 files are here. And the next step is adding folders to HDFS. So here we are just copy pasting the file name orders. Right, showing file like this and doing same for the all 4. Slash product, it is showing file exists, and we're doing the same. Customers, file exists, payments, payment, file exists, and we already did this. So now the next step is adding folder to HDFS. We successfully added the HDFS, add folder to HDFS by using this code, and we are going to the next step. Final files in HDFS. Orders, product, customers, and using the same code for payments. So we finally files in. Now we are going to adding CSV file into Docker container. Adding CSV files into Docker container by using this code. And here what's our code is. This is Docker CP, and this is the our file path, and this is name node and data in data folder. This is our giving file name. So this is all you can see here. Orders done, customers done, payments, products. So 4 files are successfully done. So now I'm going to the next step and make sure that two name node and data node are running. Yeah, it's running and adding CSV file into Docker. Now we would like to view the content of the file what's in. Orders. Now you can view the content of the file by using the command. This is orders, and next one is product slash product dot csv. So this is the product file, and we are going checking for customers also. So also executed, and we are doing for payment. So this is also viewed. So we are going to the next one, user content one. This is already done. Now we are going to set up Hive on Docker. We are pulling the image of Hive through command line. Now it is showing the latest. So now we are running the Docker. The Docker running is successfully. So now we are going to do some changes on Hadoop. So by Hive server, files, Hive server, containers, OPT, Hive, configures. Here Hive server XML, we are going to Hive site XML, open file editor. We selected Hive.xml. So for this we are We have already a code, Sublime, we are using Sublime text to avoid some error. So I'm just copy pasting the text from here, and I'm removing all this here and copy paste it, and I'm doing save. So then setup of Hive on Docker, we are going to that. Oh, here our Hive setup is done. We are setting up our Hive. By using Control C, we are getting out of this, and we already checked this tree structure, and now I'm checking the direct folders. So it's also executed. And the next step is get the list of your tables on Hive. So now we are on Hive, show tables. So it's successfully done. And the next step is add this code to Hive shell to create a new table. Here I'm creating the hives in the table.